Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your Toshiba TV and Apple device are ready and on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, update the TV firmware and your iPhone or Mac so compatibility is smooth. This prevents common handshake failures. Next, go into the TV settings, find Apple Airplay and enable it. Make note of any on-screen code that appears. Doing these steps first speeds the rest of the process and avoids wasted time troubleshooting mismatched software or network issues. Now connect. On iPhone, swipe to Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring, then pick your Toshiba TV. On Mac, click the Airplay icon in the menu bar and choose the TV. If the TV shows a 4-digit code, enter it on your device to authenticate. This secures the session. Decide whether to mirror the entire screen or use the TV as a separate display for extended desktop, and then make small resolution tweaks so text and video appear sharp. These choices control performance versus fidelity. To finish, stop Airplay from the Control Center or Airplay menu when you're done, and turn Airplay off on the TV if you won't use it. To optimize playback, make sure both devices are on a 5 GHz band and near the router. Close unnecessary apps on your phone or Mac, and lower streaming quality if needed to reduce lag. If things fail, reboot both devices, confirm they share the same network SSID, and temporarily disable VPNs. This single troubleshooting step fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.